Hey guys, so I came across a quote the other day. It was from my good friend Patrick Bet David, and it said that sometimes God will put a Goliath in your life to bring out the David in you. And boy, is that good. Whether God puts a Goliath in your life or whether you find yourself a Goliath to go after, it's important to have that competition. It's important to have adversity, because without that, sometimes you won't have the drive, the determination, the motivation, or the sense of urgency that you have when you're going up against Goliath. So if there isn't a Goliath in your life today, can you find one? Can you create one? Because that is where David found his power. So find yourself a Goliath and go after him.